Welcome guys. So today I will show you my bedroom.
Okay.
So at entry we can see the cupboard, which we have three cupboards and there are some drawers too. This is my bed in which there is sleepwell mattress and it has hydraulic. So
Okay.
it gets open from down here. So this is the dressing table here. And now we will see about my 12-year-old photo with my little brother. So this is
Very nice.
old memory of us. Now let's see the balcony. So this is in French door style. So this is the balcony view, and now we are on 7th floor. And this is the safety net. So we have also planted some trees here. So guys, now we will see my bathroom here. So at the entry we can see the wash basin, which is of Sternhagen company, which is Germany based, and you can see the unique design on the tap. So here it is hot water, and then here comes the cold water. So we also have lights in the mirror, which are three different lights: cool white, warm white, and uh, normal white. And this is a type of little compartment, so where we can store things. So the total height of the bathroom is around 10 feet. So now this is the main part. This is the shower. Here is the temperature control for cold water and hot water, which can be adjusted like this: cold water, hot water. This is the tap down, and this is the function of body shooter.
Okay, four.
This four, on which there is pressure, so it massages your back. And this is hand shower.
Okay.
And last one is the big overhead shower. So this is how it looks when everything is on. So this is the balcony view, and now we are on 7th floor. And this is the safety net. So we have also planted some trees here.
Guys, today we
Hi.
are going to see my bedroom.
Okay.
There's an AC, fan, many lights,
Okay.
cupboards in one line. There are three cupboards. My study and Ajji. Here is one side table. Here is the bed and the mattress. The bed is hydraulic.
Okay.
We can just lift it and it lifts itself. Then we have a dressing table.
Okay.
This is the frame of my grandmother and my grandfather, and this is my childhood's photo.
So nice looking, little baby.
Here is one clock
Yes.
which is located in the east direction. So now we will see the gallery. So this is my beautiful gallery, which have plants.
We are on 7th floor.
We are on 7th floor. We have this protective layer. No birds can come from here. And this is beautiful tile. Wait a minute. This is an awesome light. And here are some COB lights. And this gallery is joint with my brother's room.
Yes. Here is Pratik's room.